We are a China-based manufacturer and supplier for customers engaged in customized cable assemblies. We accept small or large volume customization requirements, and our products cover different types of custom cable assemblies such as semi-rigid, flexible, corrugated and hand-formed. In order to meet our customers' high-end OEM&DEM needs, we continuously develop and adapt our manufacturing processes to produce specialized cable assemblies for data, signal and power transmission. Our factory has advanced automated production equipment and laboratories, capable of designing and manufacturing various special specifications of cable assemblies according to customer needs. Our custom cable assemblies are widely used in various industries such as industrial machinery, new energy, robotics, communications, aviation, automobiles, and medical equipment.